Are you looking for the best top-load washer in 2025? We've tested the top models for power, smart features, and reliability. Whether you're doing heavy loads or need a washer that's easy on energy bills, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the best performers of the year. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. LG WT8600CB 5.5Q. Feet high-efficiency smart top-load washer. It stands out with its large capacity, smart features, and excellent efficiency, making it ideal for busy households. Our reviewer, Alex, appreciated how it fit a king-size comforter and 17 towels in one load, reducing the number of wash cycles and saving her time. The angled tub design made reaching clothes easy, and the absence of an agitator created more space for bulky items. With 28 wash programs, including a favorite, AI Wash, the washer adjusts settings based on the load, delivering a precise and effective clean. It also features ezDispense, which automatically manages detergent to avoid waste. The smart app lets users customize settings and get detergent refill alerts. Energy Star certified and water efficient, the LG washer combines performance, technology, and sustainability beautifully. Number 2. Maytag MVW7230HC 5.2 cubic feet Smart Top Load Washer. It offers strong performance, energy efficiency, and modern convenience. Cameron found its large capacity ideal for washing her family's linens and clothes with fewer loads, though she had to balance bulky quilts carefully. Despite the generous size, it fit well in her laundry room and freed up space compared to her previous model. With 13 wash programs, the washer easily handled everything from delicates to towels. Cameron liked the deep fill and extra rinse options, which left clothes feeling extra fresh. The Energy Star rating and adjustable water spin settings helped reduce her utility bills. The Maytag app allowed her to monitor cycles remotely, a handy feature for multitasking. Although stubborn stains needed pre-treatment, Cameron was pleased with the machine's overall cleaning and spinning power, making laundry easier and more efficient. Number 3. LG WT6105CW 4.1Q. Feet high-efficiency top-load washer. Its turbo drum technology offers a powerful and eco-friendly laundry solution. Its unique design, where the drum and pulsator rotate in opposite directions, helps reduce tangling and enhances cleaning performance. Users appreciate its quiet operation, energy, and water efficiency, and intuitive controls, making it a great fit for busy households. The washer features a clear glass lid to monitor cycles, and a deep wash with Water Plus mode to tackle larger or dirtier loads. While the machine generally delivers excellent results, some users note that the default water levels can feel low, especially for bigger loads, though this can be resolved using the deep wash setting. A few also mention the spin cycle isn't always as effective, requiring occasional extra drying time. Number 4. Samsung WA55C G7100AV 5.5 Q feet high-efficiency smart top-load washer. Its generous capacity, powerful performance, and smart features stand out, making it ideal for large households. The highlight is the Super Speed Wash, which can clean a full load in just 28 minutes without compromising quality. Perfect for busy families. Its 5.5 cubic feet capacity easily handles bulky items like comforters, reducing the number of loads needed. Smart Control allows users to monitor and control wash cycles from a smartphone, adding convenience and flexibility. The washer also features vibration reduction technology plus, ensuring quiet operation, even at high speeds. Number 5. Whirlpool WTW4957PW 3.8 cubic feet. Feet high-efficiency top-load washer. It stands out for its large capacity, energy efficiency, and ease of use, especially after removing the agitator. James appreciated how easily it handled bulky items like queen-size comforters and full towel sets. Despite lacking smart features, it delivered solid performance across a variety of wash programs. The washer includes auto-sensing water levels, helping reduce waste while maintaining good results. Energy efficiency is a highlight, thanks to fewer electronic components. The dial controls offer flexibility, with useful presets like quick wash and a self-clean cycle. While there's no app connectivity, James found the manual controls intuitive. Washing performance was impressive overall, though tough stains sometimes needed pre-treatment. So which is the best top-load washer of 2025? Our top pick is the LG WT8600CB. It's powerful, efficient, packed with smart features, and built to handle large loads with ease. If you want the best of the best, this is the one to get.